Customer asked for a industrial process with two conveyors. The first conveyor begin the process. In this process, sent box with two conveyor. The two conveyor have a work to stop 2 seconds and cross and send the box with charger. When two box pass the sensor value, stop for 2 seconds. First box and two box stop 2 seconds and continue. This first conveyor stops and the second counter count the number of box with passing the process, and this is the process.